Hello. I am back. Once again, I am recording. And if you notice anything different, hint, hint, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. I have a VTuber model. It's a little glitchy. I still gotta calibrate it a bit more. But I am with Mr. Andrew-nitis, and we're gonna defuse a bomb. Oh god, I'm so scared. Honest to god, I'm so fucking scared. I'm gonna freaking. Just so you know, I hope you know you're not too attached to yourself because you're gonna die when I'm in control.
Not too attached. Yeah. I haven't loved myself since 2006. Let's do this. Okay.
Like, they made this manual so complex. They didn't need to add all this stuff, but I understand why they added all this stuff.
Oh jeez, why did I decide to go first? Alright, here we go.
Oh god, okay, I'm so scared.
Okay, so there's the three, there's the X with an I going through it.
An X with an I? I don't see that.
Yeah. Please read the whole manual.
I'm looking at the thing. In each column there's a fucking... Okay, I'm looking. An X with an I. I don't see an X with an I. Describe it better!
It's like a squiggly X with a line going down it.
Like
Steph, you got a minute.
Wait, oh, here it is! Okay, wait. And you have a C with this, like a C with this. Okay, wait. Okay, what's next?
And then there's like a squiggly line.
Okay, and then above it's like a stretch 3, right? With the thing?
No. Above it is like a loop-de-loop.
Okay, what's the last one?
That is the last one.
I got 3! There needs to be 4!
That is the fourth one!
There's 3!
Loop-de-loop.
There's 3!
Loop-de-loop's the fourth one!
You're stupid! You're gonna get us killed!
No, you're stupid!
I'm not the stupid one, you're the stupid one!
Loop-de-loop right next to the failed
You're
3!
gonna get us fucking killed! Oh my fucking god, I'm never doing this with you! If this was real fucking life, I would've just ended my... I swear to god, if you get me killed. Okay, there's wires, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 6 wires. 2 yellow.
Okay, 6 wires.
There's 2, okay, 2 yellow wires, and it goes a red wire, a white wire, a red wire, and a black wire.
2. Alright, read out the colors again.
2 yellow, 2 red, a white, and a black. So it goes yellow, red, white, red, black. Unless that's orange.
How much white?
Just 1 white, it's in the middle.
Okay. And there's a red, right?
Red.
Cut the 4th wire.
3, 4. Oh, that was right.
Okay.
Wanna go to the keypad?
Let's go to the keypad.
Okay, wait, is that done though?
If there's a green light, it's
Yeah,
done.
it's done. It's done. Okay, we got a keypad.
Okay.
First one, top left. Smiley face. Below that, there's a backwards P. And then the third one is a B with a T. And the last one's a star.
Okay, smiley face.
Backwards P. B with a T.
Backwards P.
And a star.
B with a T. And a star. Click the smiley face first.
That's right.
The backwards P.
No, I was wrong.
Fuck. Oh jeez. Okay, so top right.
Yeah, I got it. Okay,
And
that
then
was
top
right.
left. What's that one?
That's a smiley face. So it goes smiley face, BT.
What's the bottom right? Left?
Star in the backwards P. So the
Okay,
bottom
click
left
the
is the
star.
P. It's wrong.
Fuck.
One more thing and I'm dead. I swear to God. I swear to God if you get me killed.
The symbols that always mess me up. Okay, so we did the first two.
It's the bottom two.
It's the bottom two. What are the bottom two symbols?
A backwards P and a star. I got a minute and 30 left.
They're both on the same column.
Yeah, that's the point. Which one comes first, top to bottom?
Top to bottom, but they're on. No, like they're on the same level.
I got 58 seconds left. I'm gonna die because of you.
Try the backwards V.
Oh, great. Okay, I got the yellow board button.
Now the star.
1, 2,
the yellow
3,
board button?
4, 5. I did it! I did it! I did it!
What? How'd you do it?
I figured it out with 39 seconds left. Remember when I did it? It said if you have a yellow board button, you hold it for 5 seconds and it's good.
Oh, we got the same manual.
What did you think? Of course it's the same manual. An upside down question mark, a backwards P, and a sperm with the upside down sperm with this tail tucked in.
What the fuck?
It's like a circle, but it has like a little tail on the top.
A circle with a tail at the top?
Circle, but it kind of it's starting to wrap around the top. What do you mean,
Oh. I think I see what you mean. Alright.
Okay, just like figure it out. All four of them. Okay, all 4 of them are supposed to line up in a row, top to bottom.
Yeah, I know. Top to bottom. Alright. Does that sperm look like a 6 with its arm bent too far down?
No. It's a circle, but with a tail at the top. It's like kind of straight. You'll see when you're editing this.
What?
Oh my fucking God, I might as well kiss my life goodbye.
A few moments later.
An upside down question mark and a backwards P.
Click the X. Wanna go again?
I'm so fucking bad. I'm literally being as clear as fucking day, telling you what the fuck to do, but you're like, huh? Huh? What the hell?
Alright, now I've got a big white button that says hold.
Red button?
A white button. Talk to me here, Steph.
I don't know.
It's a big white button. The text on it says hold.
I know, but the only thing that says hold on here is that if the button is red, and the button says hold, press and immediately release the button, but that doesn't say anything.
What about if the button's saying white?
If the button is right and a lit indicator with the label car, hold the button to refer to release held button.
It's lit. It's SIG.
What?
That lit. Oh, it doesn't even matter. Let's go again.
Oh God, okay. Am I going or are you going?
I'm going. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Let's do wires
We are
first.
really terrible at this game, aren't we?
We are absolutely terrible.
A few moments later.
Okay, I don't see. Okay, wait. Columns. Okay.
But I am
row-
supposed to guide the white to the red, don't I?
Yes, but I gotta figure out where your circles are.
Oh, okay.
Okay, where's your second one?
My second one is on the 5th row in the 3rd column.
Okay, I got one. And okay, where's your second one? I mean, your first one?
My first one is on the 1st row, 5th column.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, where's your little thing?
My white dot is to the left of the first green signal.
No, okay, now where's your dot?
My red dot is just above the second circle.
Okay, so you go right,
Uh-huh.
down. So you should be at the bottom.
Down. Oh, shit. Alright, so right, down.
Down.
I can't go down.
Okay, so then go left,
Uh-huh.
left.
I blew up.
I need to calibrate this fucking thing
Oh,
more.
well.
No, I did it fucking. Fuck you! It's not. I fucking did it right! I fucking did it right! Fuck you! Fuck you!
I don't know, it says we lost on the maze.
Shut up! I had it so right! Oh, fuck you, I don't want to play this game anymore. Let's play something else. Let's fucking end this video.
Okay.
Let's end this goddamn. This video's hell!
We are not good at this game, aren't we?
No, we're not. We are gonna die.
And I hope we never have to play this again.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm terrible at guiding people. I learned that again. I'm terrible at doing a lot of things. But you know what I'm better at? Describing the keypad than him! Better at doing the
maze to you.
Shut up. Okay, we're gonna go. We got a lot of videos to record. So, try not to miss us. Okay, bye.